Okay, here we go. Click on the A, then the A, then the screen, then start typing. Now we can highlight it by sweeping over it. If you go up here, you can see we can click on that one, proper name case, puts a capital at the beginning. That's all lowercase, www. blah blah blah, that's all capitals. Then we can go to the fonts and click on all fonts, and then just simply select the font that we want. That's as easy as that. Then we can resize it by dragging it to any size we want, from the corner, from the top, from the sides, or we can move it about, spin it and do what we want with it really. We can also size it up here. We can tell it it's 24 inches, which is probably the best way, and it's the padlock keeps it in proportion. If you take the padlock off, we could have it 24 by, let's say, 3 if we fancied. There you go. Now if you wanted to shadow this, the best way to do it is to highlight it. Oh sorry, no it's not. Is to select it, duplicate it, change one of them to, let's say, red, and just lift it over the top. You can then move it back up, your up and down arrows, see where you fancy it. That looks nice. Okay, then if you was to cut that now, the pink would be bumpy, overlapping the black. So what we do is we go to the basic weld tool, first one in, click on that, then you can see it's removed the back from behind the red. So basically you're laying it next to it instead of on top of it. If we just undo that, that was the basic weld tool. Go back again. Up here we've got some great tools. We've got fit to arc. Obviously they all do what they say on the tin, it'll fit it to arc. You can adjust the arc by doing this. There you go. You can have as much or as little arc as you like. We can also go to the transformation tool, put it in as you would on the back of a 4x4, a wheel cover for instance. You can also do the bottom way for the phone numbers, put a picture in the middle, Bob's your uncle. Then we can move on to the next one. Where's that not working? The undo button there. Let's have a look. We can go to transformation again. A bit of perspective there. Simple as that. Just grab any way you can see a little square, you can drag it and move it about. Excellent. Then we can go to, let's say, this one, and you can just manipulate it any way you want. Anywhere there's a little square, you can grab hold of it and move it about. As you can see, it's really quite easy. Next, we'll just undo that back. Next, we'll select it again, and we'll go to the outline tool. Again, it does what it says on the tin. We can have an inline or an outline. So basically, as you can see what's happening there, the more you put on, the bigger the outline it is. So I'll just zoom in on that so you can see that. Basically that's what it's done. Very simple, very easy. That's the outline tool. Always undo. Then we can go to the break path tool. Excellent little tool, this one. Click on that one, then click on any part of it, and you can edit the nodes. You can change anything you want. You can move them up, down, round, left, right, any way you like. That's what the break path tool does. Excellent. Probably not the best choice of fonts there, but there we go. Hope you're getting the gist of it. Undo that one again. To normal. Select it again. This one obviously is a mirror tool. This will mirror it if you wanted to put it inside a windscreen so it could read it properly from the outside. Just simply press that button. There's another mirror image there. Look. Here we have the array tool. You can have it vertical or horizontal or grid. This is what we do when we're mass producing, so we can just tell it as many as we want to do, and it'll just cut the lot. Simple as that. That was the array tool. I'll just undo that back one. Where's my undo button? What am I doing? I haven't closed it. I wonder I can't get anywhere. Right, next, what should we do next? Let's have a look. We've got a blank size there. Look, we can customize the blank size area. That's this box here. Say if we was making an A board, for instance, it would be 24 inches wide, and it'll be 36 inches tall. That would then give us the A board for us to place our, let's say, menu or whatever we want to put on there. No problem. At least we know then it will fit the board that we're working on.